Yan, tingnan natin yung comment section. Basahin natin. Tingnan natin kung a-agree yung taong bayan. Thank you for making me laugh. I nearly choked. The most funniest president. Comedy into a superlative degree. Funniest president. Oh my God. Lakas ng tama ni ba? It's the, ano to? Is the, hindi ko alam yan, hindi ko naintindihan. Ha? Ano daw? Hilariously funny. The best joke in the country. Is this comedy? Is this comedy bar? Best kurakot kamo. Tama. Taas ng tama. Taas ng tama nyo. Ano yun? Hindi ko maintindihan, Bisaya. In your dreams, thank you for making me laugh. Grabe ka, solid ang joke. I am hilariously made to believe something that I made hilarious that is funny. Punishable by coincidence. Ay, hindi ko maintindihan, sorry. Believing to be one is no an act. It's not an act of ignorance. Okay. Ang ano? Labo na mata ko, sorry. Says who po with feelings. Ibig sabihin siguro nito, who you po. With feelings. The best joke ever. Sige. Who you po. Ganun ba? The best joke ever. Like father, like son. Correct? It's a prank po. Pinakamagaling mambudol. Correct yun, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. My eye went wild after pumabasa. Grabe naman ang caption. If the emojis could tell you, PBBM. O yan, tingnan. Tawanan sila, guys. Tingnan mo, anong nangyari? BBM, papatawa ka talaga. Imagine how many people here giving a laugh emoji. The best joke ever. Pinakamagaling mambudol. Correct. Ambot lang. Ayan. PBM. Yun yung sagot. Wala pa akong nakitang nag-agree. Ano na. Ay, nako. Ay, mag-subscribe kayo mga animal. Puro kayo nood eh.